Stop talking to AI like it's a human. I want to recap a few things that I've covered in terms of best practices for when it comes to using things like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or whatever it is you may use. Most importantly is to be concise. Get straight to the point. You're not talking to a human, so don't over beautify your prompts and don't add filler words. The way these AIs work is that they have tokens. Your words are becoming those tokens. Look at the tokens as almost like a currency. It's the currency of the AI that you're using. So of course, the simple thing is don't waste your money. Therefore, don't add these unnecessary filler words. And by the nature of how these models actually work, they have to process every single token, basically every word. Therefore, what you're actually doing is you're spreading the attention span of the model thinner because there's a lot more words that it has to process, which is why you're experiencing hallucinations or it seems to lose track of what it was saying. Provide examples. Depending on your use case or whatever it is that you're trying to achieve, providing examples is the best way to tell the model what it is that you're looking for. In most situations, one example is usually enough. So for example, if you're looking for the model to give you a specific tone, to rewrite something in a certain way, you do have those edge cases where you may need to provide more than one example. So another good example of that would be when you want it to know how to filter emails. So you will give an example of a spam email, classified, highly classified, etc. And depending on the use case that you have, putting this in the system message is usually the most effective way to achieve it. Another good way to prompt ChatGPT is to follow this formula. Initially, put your ask, so what it is you're looking for, then provide the context, and then provide a specific type of output if you're looking for that. In some cases with the system messages, it's good to convert them into a JSON format. JSON formats are more digestible and readable by these GPTs. So remember, be concise, provide examples, and change the format if it's applicable for your use case. If you enjoyed this explanation, on my account I actually have more videos where I deep dive into each of these, and I also show some templates and some screen recordings of how to actually execute them.